Let me tell you about a family recipe for taco toppings, and that is our avocado dip recipe. This avocado dip starts out with 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 fully ripe avocado. We first learned about this recipe in the 1970s when my grandma learned how to make tacos, and this recipe from her next door neighbors, Betty and Ruben Acevedo. You want to add a little dash of granulated garlic and granulated onion, about 1/4 teaspoon each. And then you want a big spoonful of Miracle Whip salad dressing. Miracle Whip is really the way to go here. I didn't have Miracle Whip, so I approximated with mayonnaise and a little sprinkle of sugar along with a touch of white vinegar to give that sort of sweet tanginess of Miracle Whip. We usually then throw in a few splashes of taco sauce. Today I used hot sauce, and then follow that up with a nice big squeeze of lemon. I also added a little bit of lime, which is not traditional in my family's recipe, but I like that edge. Make sure you season everything up with a nice pinch of salt. Now you're gonna grab the good old-fashioned hand mixer, beaters and all. Gosh, I don't even remember the last time I used this thing. And now it's the true test to make sure that your cream cheese was completely soft and your avocado was totally ripe, because you're gonna take your hand mixer and just beat all of this to complete oblivion until it's nice and smooth and incorporated. Give it a stir up and make sure to give it a taste to check for any seasoning, maybe a little extra salt, maybe a little extra squeeze of lemon. And then we just pile this onto tacos. We usually like to serve this with seasoned ground beef tacos on fried corn tortilla shells, maybe a little lettuce, tomato, and cheese on the side. I'm making mine a little fancy today with a couple drips of hot sauce and a little sprinkle of chili powder right over top. This avocado dip looks so delicious, and I'm sure you could take a bowl of tortilla chips to it right now, but like I said, in my family, this is a taco topping. Instead of seasoned ground beef today, I'm gonna have this on some shredded chipotle chicken tacos, a few crunchy slices of radish, some shredded lettuce for some additional crunch, a nice big spoonful of our avocado dip across each taco. Gosh, I just love this stuff. Make sure you dive in and totally enjoy. This is one of my favorite taco toppings. I hope it becomes one of yours as well. Thanks for watching.